Good morning!
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, Philippines! Ayan, kinukuha lang namin yung damit na susuotin namin for today. Punta kami kila Ma'am sa Cavite. Then, ilalabas na rin namin yung damit na susuotin namin bukas. Or baka mamaya gawin namin yon. Si Kuya naliligo na and yeah. Ayan, nakabihis ng mga bata. Ako nakaligo na rin. And ito yung susuotin ko. Yung same kay Holly. Denim yung kay Holly na dress. Tapos ito yung akin para turn off kami. Pero we'll see. Kasi ang init, diba? So, yan. Tapos ito yung slippers na gagamitin ko. Yes. Ngayon pala is 20, right? Thursday, June 20. And ayan, ready na kami. Punta tayo ng Cavite. I-meet natin yung family ni Johnny Boy. Parang ang labo ng camera natin. Ang hinit na ito. Tama yung aming damit ni Holly. Yeah, we will. Yeah. I always ring. Thank you, ate. Tumulong na siya. Taga-Perth siya, oh. May unit din daw siya dito. So, next time, sa kanya na kami. Nilagay ni dyan yung luggage doon. Guys, kanina pa kami nag-iintay ng taxi. Nag-try akong mag-register sa Grab. May hinihingi sila sa akin na COVID document. So, hindi ako makapag-book sa Grab. Si Kuya, yung guard dito, siya yung nag-book sa akin sa taxi. So, mga 2 oras na kami nag-iintay dito. Finally guys, dito na kami sa Grab.
Ako nagtagal mo.
Natagalan ka dyan, na traffic daw si Kuya. Grabe yung drive kanina pa. Ang bait ni Kuya security. Kahapon si ate security. Ha?
Dati kong kasama.
Dati mong kasama. Dati raw siyang guard doon. Umalis na siya kasi ang daming boss daw sa Azuri. Azur. Nag-taxi, nag-grab na lang daw siya. Yun ang sabi niya sa akin. So,
20 ano pa ma'am? 2016?
26 ka pa umalis doon?
2016.
2016 pa raw siya umalis doon. So, yung friend niya na, yung friend niyang guard ang nag-contact sa kanya kasi hindi nga ako maka-download guys ng Grab. Na-download ko yung Grab. Kaso humingi sila ng ID, meron tayong ID. Ang wala ako ay yung COVID papers. Malay ko ba naman na tatanungin yun dito. So hindi, si Kuya Guard ang nag-book sa amin. Hindi niya nag-book, tinawagan niya lang kung available. So buti na lang available si Kuya. So we're going to Cavite. Doon tayo. We're gonna see
Hunter, Rylan, Willow, Pa, and Nana, and
Antalan and Uncle Daz. So, nandun ang family. Except si Auntie Mel. Si Auntie Mel kasi guys, busy sila sa business nila. Hindi siya...
Little.
Yeah, push back hand. So, yeah. Kasi na yung tuhod niya. Holy. Oh. Better. Naiipit yung yung tuhod niya doon. So, yan ang ganap natin today. Nasa Cavite na tayo guys. Punta na tayo sa kung saang village si Ma'am. Natulog yung ating baby girl with Mushi, of course. What do you think of Philippine Sac so far?
It's good, but I hate traffic.
It's good, but you hate the traffic. How about the food?
I haven't tried it.
What do we have? We didn't
No, I haven't tried the mac and cheese.
Jollibee. But how about last night? How was it?
Yeah, that was good.
That was good. So, gusto niyang mag-Jollibee. Hindi pa kami nakaka-Jollibee kasi magluluto si nana niya ng Filipino food. So, hindi pa kami nakakapag-fast food. Okay, and we're here. Ayan yung service namin, oh. Thank you, Kuya. Hello. Hi, Das. Oh my God, it's hot. Good. Hi.
To get in?
Mm-hmm.
2 hours.
Oh, good. Oh my God. Oh my God, you're all naked. Hi. Hi, best friend. Issue. Ayan ang aking best friend. Say hi, Tito Jam. My best friend. Oh, look at my vlog. Say hi. Welcome to Philippines. Welcome to Philippines. Welcome to Oh, how did you? Is this your first time here? Hindi ko na maalala. First time yata dito ni Hol. Kasi nung pumunta kami dito, si kuya lang siya si Sak. Yung second, parang hindi na. Bicol na ata kami agad-agad. Dala, nakalimutan ko na guys. Wow, pineapple juice. Pangatlong ano niya na raw. How many shower did you have, Willow? 3. 3 shower niya na. Anong oras na? Nakatatlong shower na siya. 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock mamaya, maliligo pa siya. Si Das, meron siyang maraming ice and water. Same as Dad. Wala pala si Ma'am nasa SM. Nagpahanda, ay! Nagpahanda si Ma'am ng pagkain. Ayan, ang food natin here. Wow, may ginataang alimango. Oh, mayroong, ito yung sourfish. Yan, then sinigang. Oh, yan ang ating food here kila Ma'am. Merong pa full length mirror dito si Ma'am. So, ito palang OOTD natin guys. Ay, hindi nyo masyado palang kita. Basta yan. Press ko lang. Ay, naku. Gusto ko lang magkamay ng etong alimango. Ayan. Kain. Mamaya ng kids. Mamaya ng... Yung kids nasa taas. Mami! Mommy's eating! Dito tayo papasto. Ay, sige.
Yeah.
Tanggalin muna natin ito. Pwede lagay natin ito sa...
Hi.
What did you,
Okay lang ito.
Okay, okay na. Okay na. Yeah, lagay na.
what did we get ordered first?
Okay.
When you first come to our scrap, we said to order this.
Kain tayo guys. Si John Chicken.
You had it. That was beautiful.
What did you order that? Yung mga bata mamaya. Nasa taas
The
nila.
chicken
Ah, chicken barbecue.
or whatever.
Yeah, chicken barbecue with Java rice. The orange rice.
So they ate what they had. I can't think what they had the first time. And then Jason, yeah, I think it was great. I don't know, one of them. One of them too, so they wanted one of them too.
Yeah, probably that.
Yeah.
Yeah, Java.
Yeah, I think it was juice.
Okay, next.
That means shower, that.
Wala na ba?
Usually get a bit of fat on it,
This
they
wala na?
make
No.
cutlets
No,
like
I
this.
might have to juice this.
The
Good
juice.
shower,
Yeah.
bloody hell.
I haven't made it since 28, actually.
When aristocrat, it's gonna be too far here.
Yeah.
We've got the inner in there, they're building, they're doing.
Yeah, extend, extend,
It's still
extend.
the same place,
no,
but just-
the same place, but they make it bigger.
Well, before it used to be all that back windows and that, now that's blocked off and walked in and
Okay. Do you eat rice or Dad?
In fact,
The kids not hungry. Well, they eat
I don't know
donuts.
this.
they're hungry. So they don't have food.
Yeah.
Oh,
They
well,
go be hungry.
they don't have chair anywhere, so later na.
one of my favourites.
Sinigang. Never done with sinigang. So Ate Mau just arrived today. Ate Mau just arrived from
Ah.
Bicol.
Yeah.
Yeah. She must be tired.
Yeah.
Is that mom?
Where'd you go?
Person.
Before?
It's not good Christmas tomorrow.
She was going to go down to
Oh, sarap. Ate Mau, ikaw nagluto ng gulay? Sarap!
the notes in good order. Yeah.
Sarap.
You go, notes. Notes. Change the number.
Yeah.
Right.
It's in there.
Because,
Now, where,
yeah, they went through two of them wouldn't take it.
what?
So I just had a bit of split in one.
Well, I did have two in there, and I spent it on all the rest of the lot. What?
Is it good?
Really?
You want that one? I can buy that. You can buy
Yeah,
that.
no, that's what.
You like that?
Yeah.
Gusto
Right,
nila
all
yung
of it,
pineapple. Kuha ko ng... Ayan, may ice. Nagugas tayong kamay, guys. Kuha tayong ice. Wala ka naman. Sarap ng ano, alimasa. Dito na yung mga bata. Inamoy niya na naman.
That line. Come around the back. Remember to come
How
out.
about you, yeah? What do you want? Oh, nagubad na siyang init, ha?
Oh, we in here already.
Yeah, I put chicken.
You have a look up
That's
top
so
when you
cool.
go up there.
I'm getting comforted.
The left, and we should be there, but
You can sit there, Saka. Do you want
Left
sinigang?
before the left.
Sinigang?
There.
Kamayan.
They can win with
Humingi
it.
ulit ako ng masarap yung pineapple juice.
Where's the ball?
Have you tried the pineapple juice, Salana?
Have I tried it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Which one?
Thank you. This one.
Yeah.
It's good.
Yeah, that's it.
Really good.
Yeah, pick all
And si
this
Zach,
up.
kuha na siya ng pineapple. You can have mango, Zach. But just be careful with your clothes, please. Good?
Like me, the first night I got here, which is
Zach, sit down, Zach.
last night I was eating mango and ripped raw.
Pangalawa na yan ni Zach. Good? Si Hato nakadalawa na rin ng mango. Sarap, guys. Ang sarap ng ano, ito. Wala lang akong mapwestuhan ng camera para sanang mukbang ko sa inyo. Kaso, yun, sigip na ng aming table.
Bloody
Si
jump
Das,
from
is it
here.
good, Das?
Yeah.
Yeah, si Das,
I think I ate it properly.
yeah, si Das kumain din siya ng crab. Nagustuhan niya. Masarap kasi yung ano, may gata. Ngayon pa lang siya kakain. Tingnan mo, pawis na siya. Naglaro sila nung dalawang bata siya kasi Will. Si Will tas ang kumain. Tapos na to si Kuya. Ito yung, wala na yung plate niya. Kumain ulit siya, oh. And yun, gaya-gaya din. Kumain ulit si Willow. That's your second time, 3 shower and 2 lunch.
Okay, let's go.
Hoy, I like your ano, your body now, Baba. You not skinny. How is it, Baba? Are you ask for more?
Oh, they came and got more.
Oh, lucky. Baba, did you get one? What's that? Come here. Meron lang. What do you call that here in the Philippines? Ice candy.
Mom, I need tissue.
Oh, you need tissue?
Wow.
Meron silang ice candy ang tawag daw dyan. Okay, look at me. Okay, picture. Smile. What do you call that one again?
Ice candy. Ice candy. Is it ice candy?
What do you call that?
Ice candy.
Ice candy. The cousins. Cousins of the Philippines. Ang cute. Okay, thank you. Ang cute ni Willow. Sabi niya, Mom, I'm so hot. I wanna take a shower. So, magiging 4 na beses na siya magsha-shower kung magsha-shower siya ngayon. Ngayon, kumakain pa rin siya ng parang ice candy. What do we call that popsicle, right? What do we call that one? Super Dupa. And
Because Super Duper's are a lot.
those, yeah. So what we call, do we have that one? No, we don't have in Australia. We do? Wow. Kasi meron din na pala niya sa Australia kasi doon sa Super Dupa. Icy pa?
Yeah, I should probably I think we just call them.
Okay, okay. Okay. Oh, umiiyak na siya. Naguhubad na siya dito. I'm taking shower na. Hala, every 2 hours, you have to have a shower.
Let's go then.
Nagiging grumpy siya. Guys, nandito yung mga bata sa court. Hinanap ko sila. Pumunta kasi ako sa taas, kay Jan. Ito, dala ko yung ano ni Willow, yung ice candy niya. Naligo lang to, dito na dumiretso. Willow! Willow! Oh, you forgot! You don't want this? Oh, you can have this, love. Doesn't want it now. Diyos ko, ang init. Tingnan yung dalawa. Takbo-takbo. Si Rylan ang pula-pula na. Guys, dito pala ako sa SM Bacoor. Papapalit lang ako ng pera. And then, magpapano ko ng buhok. Hindi dapat dito ako magpapagawa ng buhok. Kaso wala na akong oras para pumunta dun sa gusto ko sanang pagawa sa Ayala, sa Makati. Kasi dito tayo sa Cavite and sobrang traffic. Sabi ko, dito na lang, maghanap na lang ako gagawa ng buko. Kasi bukas, balik na kami, uwi na ako ng Bicol. So, wala na akong time. So, iniwan ko sila doon, sila dyan. Ako lang nandito. Ako na talagang naglakas loob, no? Pumunta dito sa Bacoor, SM.
Shampoo lang. Ano?
Dito pala tayo sa David Salon. And ayan, nire-reband na ako. Bicolana din siya. Tapos si ate, taga dito lang dito si ate. Manila. Manila lang si ate. Buti na lang nakapag-appointment tayo kasi wala tayong ano guys. Walk-in lang tayo. So, mamaya, tingnan natin yung result. Ano nga to? Reband. Dito na, reband. Tapos na siya lagyan ng treatment and binalnawan na siya. So, ewan ko anong gagawin ko next. Pa-plancha. Glow. So, guys. Steady lang. Ayan na guys, tapos na tayong i-reband. Meron ako isa pang treatment. Anong tawag dito?
Neutralizer.
Neutralizer collagen.
Hindi, neutralizer. Straight na lang yan.
Pang last. Tapos mamaya
Collagen.
collagen. Ang dami ko palang gagawin sa akin. Tapos na niyang lagyan ng neutralizer. Tapos yan, binalawan niya na. Ngayon, treatment na. Ito yung collagen. 3 vial. 3 ganito. Booster collagen. Ayan guys, yung ating buko. So, mayroon siyang, after ng reband, nagpa-treatment tayo yung tawag collagen treatment para hindi siya mag-dry. So, and then, hindi ko siya pina-straight talaga para meron pa rin siyang volume. Then, nagpa-layer din tayo. Bayad na tayo, guys. Dito ako kay Auntie Ann. Score tayo ng blueberries. Tapos na tayo dun kay David. So, ayan. Kuha ako nito. Ito na yung nabili natin dun kay Auntie Annie. Meron ako nakitang bread talk, guys. Kuha din siguro ako dito. Ito yung isa sa pinaka gusto kong tinapay. Wala na, guys. Wala nang laman. Yan na lang yung parang mga sliced bread nila. Pero dito wala na. Dito pasok tayo sa Watsons. Ayan yung mga na-swatch natin ng mga lip tint and lip oil. So ito yung nabili ko sa Watsons. Pasok naman tayo dito sa Ace Hardware. So kumuha ko guys. So ito yung kinuha ko. Kumuha akong adapter para masaksak at ma-charge natin ang mga bagay-bagay. Kumuha akong 3, o diba? 3 na tayo kinuha ko. Thank you. Gongcha sila. Kuha tayong milk tea. Wala tayong nakuha ang milk tea kasi wala na silang pearl. Empanada. And eto, bread and butter. Okay. Ano masarap?
Ito po best na
Ubi cheese? Okay, sige. Kuha tayo. And kuha din tayong empanada. So, dito ko siya kinuha sa bread and butter. Ayan yung Facebook nila if you want, guys. Very good. Ubus na siya. O, masarap yun dahil ubus siya. Sige, thank you. Bye. Ito naman tayo sa Chowking. Ayan, tinatawag na tayo. Siomai tsaka bola, siopaw. I have siopaw to. Ayan. Tinatawag na ulit tayo. Ayan. Tinatawag na ulit tayo. Siomai. Thank you. May isang bag ka lang. Pwede isang bag siya po. Thank you. Kasi ang dami ko nang dala. Ayan. Thank you so much. Umuulan guys. Dito na pala ako sa labas ng SM sa East Entrance to. Tinawagan ko si ma'am na ipabook ako ng Grab. Kasi sila ang may access para makapagpabook sa Grab. Kasi ako hindi ako makapagpabook sa Grab. Kasi nga, hiningian ako ng COVID document. Nung nag-sign up. So, isi-send na lang nila sa akin yung plate number ng Grab. So, umuulan. Bawal pa naman mabasa ang book natin. Tingnan mo, ang dala-dala ko. Baka sabihin ni Jan, sabi mo magpapaano ka lang ng book, ang dami mo nang bit-bit. So, hintayin lang natin yung Grab. Okay, thank you ma'am. Ayan. Kausap ko si ma'am. Dito na yung aking Grab.
Did you get a color?
Dito na siya. Ha? I didn't get color. Just
Why does it look,
straight.
why does it look green?
Hi, Dad. It looks weird. It looks weird.
I don't like it, Dad.
No? You don't like it? Steak? You had steak?
Pork chop.
Pork chop. Kain tayo guys, meron tayong bangus, sausawan na suka, and ito ang favorite ko. Das, come on, crab.
Niche.
Si Das, nag-crab siya kanina. I am, no, it's not. She gonna text me. No, it's alright, ma'am.
No, I changed it.
Nagpabook na pala ako ng sasakyan namin, yung sinakyan namin kanina, papunta dito. Yun ang tinawagan ko. Binigay niya kasi yung number. What did you eat, Lana? Chicken? Adobo. Kasi po, si Tulana, hindi po siya kumakain ng fish. You eat fish sometimes? Sometimes. Pork and red meat, hindi siya kumakain. Ang hassle na, ang ano natin ang book. Ito yung 2 araw na critical ang book siya. Bawal kasi siya guys ilagay daw sa tenga for 2 days. And bawal din siyang bawal din siyang basain. So, paano na yan? Medyo mahirap siya ngayon.
Nice and cool up there.
Sis, ganda nga, di ba?
Nice and cool up there.
Did you left the aircon on?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
So I'm Zachariah. So far.
Matutulog na si Dad?
He's tired.
Matutulog na si Dad? What the kids did?
Where's Holly?
Just been running?
Yeah.
Holly.
They went back to the court?
So far.
Just on the street.
Did
Huh?
they have fun?
Nah, it's time to go to bed. Alright.
See ya, Dad. Thank you.
See ya.
Yeah, see you when we come back here.
No.
Good night, Dad. 9:37 na kasi, guys. Usually that's like 7 o'clock, right? 7 or 8?
Beautiful.
No, back home, 7 or 8. Yeah.
Easy bed at 5.
5 o'clock, nasa bed na yan si Dad. Ngayon, 9:37.
I just live out there. I was saying, live all day.
Where?
Live. And then all day.
Kaya nga,
All day, how
is
long?
Well, then they go
sweating.
upstairs.
Oh shit.
Lying on the whole.
Did you have enough?
No. No massage yet.
Oh! I had a massage on. Wala. I had a massage.
When George come up and you're like, oh, wait, you know what I'm saying, no?
Oh no. Oh, what happened?
Like this,
Give her a glass of water.
And what that? No, it
And
happened.
I said, keep your name on. So
That was
John's,
good.
John's like that.
And then blood found out.
Nah. Just a glass.
Naiwan niya daw yung sigarilyo niya sa labas. Tapos, kasi nga, hindi alam ni Dad, well, for sure alam niya, pero hindi siya nagpapakita ng nagsisigarilyo si Jan ever. Sa talambuhay ni Jan, never siya nagsigarilyo na nandyan si Dad. So anyway, si Noy, yung pamangkin ni Ma'am, nakuha yung sigarilyo daw dyan sa labas. Sabi niya, kasi si Ma'am, paunti-unti, nagsisigarilyo din pag umuwi siya dito sa Pilipinas. Sabi niya, tita, sa'yo to no? Sa'yo to. Tapos, nakalandun daw sila. Sabi ni Jan, nagsinayas na lang. Ganun na ganun siya. Kasi nandun sila. Hindi naman daw nakita ni Dad. Ay, ang sarap ng gulay. gulay, guys. Sobrang saya raw ng mga bata. Naglaro sa labas ng puti. May dala kasi silahan doon na bola. Si Sak mayroon naman, yung maliit lang. So, ganyan guys. Gusto ko na siyang ganun ba? Pero bawal daw sabi eh. So, hindi natin ang sabi ni ate. Hindi sila. Nagtatago-taguan sila guys. Ang init.
Yeah, so it's gonna go.
So bukas, uwi na kami ng Bicol. At least tapos na tayo sa buhok. Dami kong nakain na crabs. And naubos ko yung pritong bangos. Ngayon naman, mangga. Si Kuya tulog na. Ngayon si Kuya tulog na. Ayan sila nanonood. And parating na yung yung grab. 6 minutes daw.
She's asleep.
6 minutes daw nandito na si Kuya. And yung kuya natin tulog na pagod. See ya! See ya! Alis na kami. See ya. Okay, bye! Okay. Say bye-bye na to your friend. Bye! See ya, Ate Mau! Bye! Andito ka para, see ya! Hunter, see ya!
We already hear them.
Yeah.
Good lump of people for
Yeah, okay. What's wrong, baby? Guys, dito na kami. End ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin. Yeah, good night, guys. Thank you. Pagod na pagod ng mga bata. Sobrang pagod sila. So, yun na, guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in my next vlog. Good night. Good night. Good night.
Been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my break.
'Cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.